Shortening is a type of fat commonly used in cooking and baking. Let's delve into the details. The term shortening technically refers to any fat that is solid at room temperature. This includes butter, margarine, and lard. Most shortening available today is made from vegetable oils like soybean, cottonseed, or palm oil. These vegetable oils are liquid at room temperature, so they undergo a unique manufacturing process called hydrogenation to become solid at room temperature. In the past, shortening contained partially hydrogenated oil, which is a type of trans fat. However, trans fats have been banned in the United States since January 2020 due to health risks. Modern shortening is still made using hydrogenation, but the oils are fully hydrogenated, meaning there are no trans fats present. Shortening is used for specific purposes in baking and cooking. Brands like Crisco have been popular since 1911. When shortening is cut into flour before baking, it coats the gluten strands, preventing them from forming a tough matrix. This results in a tender, crumbly, and flaky end product in baked goods like cookies, pie crusts, and cakes. Although butter and lard can achieve similar results, vegetable shortening is cheaper and more shelf-stable. Highly processed shortening offers no health advantages over butter or lard. While it contains less saturated fat than butter, it may not be a more nutritious choice. The ban on trans fats has led to reformulated shortenings that are trans fat-free. In summary, shortening is indeed made using hydrogenation, but the absence of trans fats in modern formulations makes it a safer option for baking and cooking.